the return to innocence. You know, so often when we come into this world, we come in innocent, whole, and perfect. It is through our life that we condition, we believe, we take on belief systems, mother, father, people who are important to us, and we believe it to be our own. And oftentimes, we grow out of it, we grow beyond it, and we come into this state of conflict. How do we resolve letting go of what we no longer serves us to where we want to go and really be present into that place of innocence? And look at a child when they're born. Look at 3 of them in the same space. Each one is different. No 2 are the same. Same conditions, same mother, same father, but very, very different, each one of them, and in terms of their expression. And along the way in our journey, again, we take on belief systems, we take on experiences that takes that innocence and really kind of pushes it down. And what this workshop is really about is to bring back the childlike nature, the inner child, and reconnecting with that part, because that's the part that is the creative aspect of us. It's not the adult. It's that child within us, that playfulness, that silliness, the joy. That's what guides us. And oftentimes, when we don't have that sense of creativity or we feel stuck, it's a perfect time to reach out for a workshop like this to really help you reconnect with that inner child, a place of joy.